Corona, Corona, we're all going to die. That wasn't meant to be funny, but it was just, I'm tired. And the very obvious, and never mind. You get what I mean. The coronavirus is killing thousands of people, and that's on my mind right now. Excuse me. But anyway, in case you couldn't tell, I had to speed up the footage here because I ended up practicing for 13 minutes. And since it's already 11:40 at night, I don't want to record for 13 minutes. So far, I looked it up, and over at least 3,555 people have died from the virus. And granted, that probably isn't the greatest loss that we've had in human history. It's still really awful. And it's like, pray for the people who are suffering, or for the people who've lost their lives. Or if you don't pray, then just donate for the cause or something. I don't know if there's any places you can donate to, because I'll try to look for one. You should try to look for one too. I try not to get too serious, but at the same time, I don't know, I felt like I should say something about that. Because I suppose the reason I was thinking about it was because since I'm practicing Japanese, I was thinking about how so many places and events and whatnot have been closed or canceled in Japan because of the virus. And it's pretty sad. It's like, I wonder how long it will take to develop a cure. Hopefully I can be done soon. But, but I digress. But anyway, on a lighter note, I saw the 2 new Steven Universe Future episodes without spoiling anything. The first one, In Dreams, was amazing, and the second one, Bismuth Casual, was pretty good. Although it didn't really have as much to do with Bismuth, I don't think, as it did to do with Steven and Connie reconnecting. Bismuth is more like, I don't know, I don't want to say a foil, because, or maybe she would be a foil in that case, because you'd have to watch the episode to know what I'm talking about. If you've seen the episode and you know what I'm talking about, leave a comment and we can discuss it. But I promise you guys, just one more day of Duolingo footage tomorrow, and then I'll actually start getting on to some serious stuff. I promise. Monday, I think I'll try to use one of the textbooks I have, along with using a tripod to record some stuff. Sorry this was probably a lot more of a doom and gloom episode, but, it's just been on my mind lately, and I don't know. Maybe it was good to address it, but then again, pretty much everyone's been addressing it to a point where it's sort of like beating a dead horse. It's like, coronavirus, deadly, clean your hands, look out, blah, but, it's being made into a big deal for good reason, I think. But anyway, I think that's gonna be all for today's video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. If you're not subscribed, then I honestly don't know how you found this video. unless you were scrolling through the hashtag March's Honest section. But anyway, bye. See you guys tomorrow. Leave a comment. I like your comments. But anyway, bye. See you later.